How to trim video in Instagram story. First of all, open Instagram app and then make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Then, in order to trim video in Instagram story, first of all, you have to tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen and upload any video. Once you get access on this page, as you can see the story icon next to post, tap on story and then select the photos icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and choose any video that you want to trim. Once you choose, at the top, as you can see that we don't see or find any icon that help us to trim the video in the Instagram story. But one thing you can do is, let's come out from here and instead of a story, select the post at the bottom of the screen. Once you select any video and tap on the next button at the top right corner, as you can see at the bottom left corner, you will see the trim button. Simply you need to tap on trim and you can easily trim the video that you wish to keep the length of. Once you have trimmed the video, you can easily tap on the save icon or download icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then this video has already been successfully saved to my gallery. Simply you can exit from this page and you can add to your story and upload the same trim video on your Instagram story. So that is how we trim video in Instagram story. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates.